think what you've just mentioned also, the fact, the technology aspect of all of this, there are the tools that allow organizations to achieve these targets, and I think it's most important to identify the right tool and the right technology that will help you to get there.
Yeah, tools definitely. I mean, and the tool evolution is something we have seen more and more. You have the advent of new technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning. We've seen applications of them either isolated or embedded into best practice software solutions, and those are dramatically changing the way company processes are managed. What I can tell you is that there is not a lack of a tool for a given process, but rather there is oftentimes the difficulty on getting the right tool for the right purpose, given the complexity of the market out there. So we are actively trying to put together process knowledge and the technology knowledge within a given domain. We organize ourselves like that 5 years ago. We understood that clients weren't willing to look for process isolated from technologies or the other way around. They wanted to have a combined approach.
Yes.
We blended the process knowledge and technology knowledge on a given domain, like operation transformation, for instance, where transformation is actually process and the technology together. And we've been able to deliver this kind of one-stop shop advisory service where basically you start from your pain points, or even better, your client's pain points, your own pain points. You look at your company. It may be an operation thing. Very often it is.
Yes.
Very often it is. And then you get for best from process perspective and from technology perspective.
I think it's a chain. One links to another, and finding a customization level that adapts to your organization is very important.
Yes, and that's ultimately that's our the general managers, the CEOs. They doesn't need to be expert on everything, but at least they need to understand and drive their organization on the level of maturity which is adequate for the challenge they're facing. And ultimately, this is what distinguishes good CEOs from bad CEOs.
Yes, clearly. Thank you very much, Ivan, for your time.
You're welcome.